Hey, and welcome back. So today I just want to run over something real quick about the voltage that is supplied by the bias circuit, which is right here in the middle of the screen, as you can see. Let me get my pointer. Now the only component in this amp that's not original that I know of, besides the filter caps that I've done a long time ago, is this metal film resistor right here. It's an 18K, and I replaced it with metal film instead of carbon comp because just of the reliability and the stability of this. So as I understand, there's no audio going through there. That's just power. Actually, our audio is coming out here with this purple wire, or violet. But anyway, getting back to the bias, Music Man says that it's supposed to have a half a volt coming off of that and going to the cathodes. And so you're to measure, of course, you'd ground your multimeter and go over here to the output power tubes and then measure from your cathodes, which is pin 8. You can measure from any of these cathodes, but I did all 4 just to make sure. And it's got almost half a volt. I already know that this gray wire is the output of the wiper. As you can see, we got almost negative 33 volts DC. We come over to the next node of this, which is the other end of the gray wire, which just goes over to this board. And there's no change because it hasn't gone through any other components. But then the next node of this, sorry about that, is, get on there and stay, is right here. And again, no change because it, I guess, basically just runs up under that board. But these 2 connections, here and here, are supplying, going through the 330K resistors. These 2 nodes, one node supplies 2 power tubes and the other node supplies the other 2. So we can simply put our test lead here at this node, and almost 32 volts. Same thing. You notice they're both negative because this filter capacitor, the positive here goes to ground. So we're running off the negative side of this capacitor, and I assume that's how that makes that negative. That would make sense because the control grid coming right after the cathode. So anyway, now let's start actually testing on the tubes, and same thing. Again, I'm testing on pin 5 of these EL34s. That's our control grid terminal. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now we see, yeah, still there. But you hear that tap? That's because now the standby is turned off. So I just wanted to see what the voltage was supposed to be. And now we know.